inside one of the world's most dangerous venom farms, where thousands of cobras, vipers, and kraits are milked every single day. This place isn't just a factory, it's the meeting point of science and danger. As soon as you enter, temperature-controlled rooms begin, and every shelf is lined with deadly snakes. Inside glass enclosures, cobras stand with their hoods flared. Vipers stay tightly coiled, ready to strike at any wronged move. Only trained professionals work here. A handler slowly opens the enclosure, lifting the cobra carefully using a hook and a firm grip. A single mistake can mean a fatal bite. On the extraction table, the venom milking process begins. The cobra's fangs are pressed against a sterile glass cup, and drop by drop, the deadly venom is collected. This poison might one day save someone's life. The fresh venom is tested immediately. Under the microscope, scientists study its proteins, toxins, and enzymes. Even the smallest contamination can make the antivenom useless. After testing, the venom is frozen at -20 degrees Celsius. In this stage, it turns into a crystal-like form, extremely fragile but chemically stable. Once freeze-dried, the venom becomes a fine powder. This powder can be safely shipped to hospitals around the world. Its potency remains stable for years. Here, pharmaceutical experts transform this deadly substance into medicine. The venom is processed with animal serum to create antibodies. This is the actual antivenom. The journey from deadly venom to a life-saving injection is nothing short of a miracle. Without antivenom, millions of people would die from snake bites every year. A deadly bite, a deadly venom, and a life-saving cure. Sometimes science feels no less than magic.